What's up guys? I hope that you're having an awesome day today. So I'm gonna be filming a what I ate today video, and I know I don't do these very often, but a lot of you guys have been requesting them lately, so I figured this is actually a really perfect time of year to film a what I ate today video because our lychee tree that's right next door to us is just going off, and I've been eating so many lychees, so I'd love to share that with you guys. I usually start off my day by drinking a really big glass of water, and I usually don't eat until around 11 or noon, so I'm usually just drinking water up until that point. But I've already drank my water and I'm ready to eat breakfast, so we're gonna go pick some lychees. That's all I can eat at one time because if I eat too much I get a melon belly feeling, so sometimes I'll come back and do a round 2 of lychees. We'll see how it goes. I just had another lychee meal that was slightly less glamorous than the first one. It just ended up in the sink there. Probably a similar amount to the last time. I don't even know like how to measure how many calories this is. This is just probably like 3 to 4 pounds of lychees between the two meals, probably closer to 4 pounds, I would say. To finish up that meal, I'm also gonna eat this banana. It's a pretty fat banana. It's from my friend Michael. I wanna say it's a Namwa banana. It's a little bit more starchy. I haven't had one of these in a while, so I'm not 100% sure if it's like totally ripe, but my roommate Gita said that the other ones he tried were good to go, so hopefully it's a good one. I just got downtown and I'm actually gonna be stopping at this really awesome place called Locavore. They have all local crafts, local produce, and yesterday when I was in there they had these really epic pineapples. I ate one for lunch, so I wanted to stop in there again and see if they have more pineapple. I'm at Joey's apartment now, which is in downtown Hilo. I live like up the hill a bit. Let me show you this view. Through the screen, well, you can see there's some palm trees and the ocean's out there. It's a beautiful day today. So let me show you what I'm gonna make for my final fruit meal before I make my dinner. I got a really yummy looking pineapple. It smells like super good. From Locavore, love that place. And I've got this organic plant protein, grain-free I'm not like super up on using protein powder all the time, but I've just been really digging it lately. And I like that it's grain-free and it digests really well. It doesn't make me feel bloated or anything, so I'm basically just gonna eat some of this pineapple plain, blend some of it with a little bit of frozen mango and a little bit of this protein powder. So good. Here's my smoothie. It's really freaking delicious. Pineapple, mango, protein powder. That protein powder kind of tastes like a cupcake, so it just makes everything taste good. But it does have stevia in it, so when I use it, I don't do the full scoop. Usually I do a half scoop. So it's like probably 7 or 8 grams of protein for a half scoop. All right, salad is made. I was gonna show you what Joey B ate for dinner, but that bowl is empty. So here's my salad that I'm gonna be eating. There's chickpeas, buckwheat, purple sweet potatoes, sprouts, tomatoes, lettuce, avocado, mustard, coconut, butter, and green onion. So that's my jam right now. And I don't think I'm gonna eat anything else. Maybe I'll eat a mango for dessert, but I'll check in with you after.